day, Mom and Sir. My name is Charlene Abar Anito. I am 40 years old. I am a high school graduate, and I am a mother of the three wonderful sons, ages 18 years old, 15 years old, and 11 years old. And I am currently seeking a job as a domestic helper in Romania. I have 1 year and 8 months experience working as a housemaid in Kuwait. My duties and responsibilities there are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and take care of 5 children. My second experience working in Qatar. My duties and responsibilities there are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and take care of newborn's baby. I have 2 years of experience working as a housemaid in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. I perform various household tasks such as cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and shopping for groceries. Additionally, I have experience in caring for children, including especially children in PWD, like a special child. Mom, Sir, if given the opportunity to work with your family, I promise to give my best, work hard, and I provide a loving and caring environment for your children as I would for my own. And I'm committed to completing my contract and ensuring that you are satisfied with my work. God bless and thank you so much.